This is the simple steps to turn your Bible into a professionally composed music. Paste this particular prompt to ChatGPT. The prompt says, "Convert this Bible verse into song lyrics with verses and a repeating chorus." Then copy your scriptural verses and paste alongside. Once done, wait for Chat to process it, and here we go. Then copy the lyrics and visit this website, Musicful AI, then sign up using your Gmail account. It automatically chooses custom and you'll be given just 30 credits, but you can subscribe on the website for more. Then paste your lyrics here. Then describe the style and mood. I'll just type reggae here. You can as well give your song a title. Then click on Create Song and wait for it to complete. Once done, play to listen to it. You will not be able to download except you subscribe, but here's how you can still get it downloaded without subscription. Screen record the music while it plays from beginning till the end. Make sure you set your screen record to record device sound only. After that, visit this app called VidCompact and click on Video to MP3. Then choose Screen Record and click on this arrow down icon to convert your screen record to audio. And come to File Manager to rename the audio, and that's it.